I sat here and posed for like 10 minutes. Let me see the product. Is that me? No, it's nice. It's so nice. Oh, I've never looked better. Ooh, where were you? Where were you when it was time for senior photos?
Mommy, I don't think it looks good.
It is fantastic. Oh my God, what's that? Is that hyperpigmentation? Just tell me, okay. You know what? I've never seen nothing like this before. I just want you to just keep it up, okay?
Why was Daddy laughing?
Daddy don't know what he's doing anyway. That's how you say that's a great drawing in French.